For many people, a trip to the dentist can feel intimidating or frightening, which may have some people avoiding routine care altogether. But taking care of your oral health doesn't have to be stressful. The team at Secure Dental is helping patients feel comfortable while overcoming dental anxiety. All right, Dr. Hope, let's talk about why, and I think I know the answer, but it's so important for people to stay on top of their dental exams and cleanings.
Yeah, staying on top of your routine dental exams and cleanings can help prevent dental conditions from progressing further and really save you a headache from dental emergencies, because really, who wants to wake up in the middle of the night from a toothache and have to call a dentist first thing in the morning? So there's definitely a power in understanding and knowing your oral health and going over your oral care instructions with your provider to be equipped with the tools to help prevent dental emergencies and to your best ability, really.
Yeah, right. I know a lot of people have dental anxiety. Can you tell folks what it is really and how common it is?
Yeah, I feel like majority of the patients that walk through my door have some degree of dental anxiety or fear. And there's definitely a spectrum to that. Mm-hmm. And I tell them that it is okay to show up as they are, and we can work with the dental anxiety and fear that they have through slow tempo, stopping points, breaks, etc. And we can also introduce sedation or laughing gas as options as well. And the main thing is that we never pressure anyone into proceeding with any procedures when they're not ready.
Yeah. You guys offer sedation dentistry. Not every dentist office offers that. Can you explain to folks what that is?
Yeah, we offer two types of sedation dentistry at Secure Dental for our moderate to severe anxiety patients. Mm-hmm. Oral sedation is where we can prescribe oral medication and administer laughing gas to make you feel relaxed, sleepy, but awake during the procedure. And IV sedation is where we put you to sleep or at a deeper, relaxed, zoned out state during the procedure, and then you won't remember much afterwards.
So you gotta have reasons to actually get over that fear, because you got to finally get into the dentist, right?
Yeah, one way or another.
You got to get there. Okay, so when someone overcomes their fear, finally comes in to see you, what do you hope they walk away with in terms of their oral care, their understanding of their oral care?
Yeah, I hope they get to learn about their oral health and review oral care instructions and really understand that being aware and staying on top of your oral health can help prevent dental emergencies and unnecessary headaches.
Yeah, because I imagine, their fear is of the pain and what could happen, but if you get in front of it, those things don't happen.
Exactly, you have to confront it.
Yeah, you have to do it. So how are you guys making it easier for folks to take that first step?
Yeah, so at Secure Dental, we understand that the first step can be the hardest. To lower the barrier, at least in terms of cost and affordability, we are currently offering a few promotions on our dental exams if you're uninsured. So we are offering a $49 emergency exams, which includes the x-ray, and $79 comprehensive exams, which includes the x-rays and a regular dental cleaning if you're eligible.
Oh, that's fantastic. So there's no reason for people not to get in the door. You guys can help them and put their fears at ease.
We're really trying to help.
Fantastic. Thanks for being here.
Of course, thank you.
All right, grab those phones and scan the QR code on your screen. To learn more, Secure Dental is offering viewers a free consultation to help you get started. You can learn more by visiting secure-dental.com or by giving them a call. The number is right there on your screen.